Today we're going to talk about the Jabra Elite 75T earbuds. We'll do a quick unboxing because there's not much in there, but we'll actually focus more on the setup. They are replacing my Bose earbuds, and why are they replacing them is interesting. They don't work. In the very beginning, the issues I had with the earbuds is I couldn't connect the app to it. Then once I got that done, I had intermittent problems with losing my Bluetooth connection. Then I had problems with battery, etc., etc. So finally now, these will not connect at all to my Pixel 4 phone. So I say goodbye. Now I'm going to keep them here so I can kind of compare size and a few other things for you. But the other thing I'll tell you I didn't like about these is they constantly fell out of my ear. I was forever having to adjust them. I used all the gel inserts I could that came with it, but frankly nothing would work. So with that, let's begin. So the Elite 75T, one of the reasons I got them is because I had always felt that the issue with Bose could be sweat. I don't really work out, I walk a lot, so I thought maybe sweat on the contacts, etc. was an issue. And these are not waterproof, but it looked like they were done in a way for sweat and moisture that would work for me. Apparently the app's supposed to be pretty good, and I have downloaded the app, so we'll go ahead and set that up. It has a 2-year warranty, and I do use Amazon Echo, so it's voice assistant enabled, so that'll be interesting to see how that works. I also use Google Assistant, and it's got a 4 microphone technology, so later I'll do a bit of a selfie and let you listen and see what you think. So let's get it open. And it looks like it's simple, I think. There's one piece of tape and a second piece of tape here, and it comes right out. So it's an attractive packaging, I think. Kind of simple, but feels solid, everything about it. And there's a little arrow here to pull out. And here it comes. Welcome to Superior Sound. Get started. Tells you to download the app, which I've already done. Personalize it and register. So we're going to do those things, and we're going to take a look at this. And as I said, we'll compare it with the Bose earbuds that these are replacing. All right, let's take these out of the box. I do have the Jabra app. By the way, if you have an Android phone, it's actually under S for sound. It's called Jabra Sound, but it's under S. So let's see what else we have in here. And that opens. And it appears to be just a quick start guide. So I'll put that aside. And you take this, no, and this is going to be the case. Just says Jabra on the front. I don't know if you could see that. And let's see how it opens. I'll try to flick it. Huh? Maybe it's this side. No, it's not. It's actually not difficult to open. So, oh, from the top. So it opens fairly easily, and it is a USB-C. I forgot that. That's great, because everybody should be using that, I think. And let's take this out. And you can see there's pins in here. And these pins are obviously for the contacts to charge it. So that's done. What do we have in this box? And we have a couple things. We have our USB-C cable, Actually, it's not all that big. I'm sorry, all that long. Maybe it doesn't have to be. But so there is a USB Type C. I like that noise when it closes. And I noticed, I think a green light went on when it closed. Yes, a little bit of a green light went on when it closed. And what else do we have in here? Oh, we have some ear inserts. And so there's one on, probably, and then these two more. So there should be 3 different ones. And then just some, looks like safety information. So we'll set that aside. So far, we have our case, our cable. And now, for the moment we were all waiting for, and we'll take out 1, and we'll take out 2. I bet there's a much easier way to do this, but I haven't found it. I'm not going to put them back in here. That's the way to do it. So, here they are, the left and right ear. And let's compare them with the Bose. Wow. The Bose is here on the right. I don't know if you could tell the difference in size, but it's a huge difference. And when you even look at this side, same thing. So this is going to be welcome. And let's see if we could get these set up. How's that? Welcome to Jabra. And it says personalize. It says it's searching for the headset. So I think I'm going to have to take the headset out. Let's do that. It's blinking orange, so I don't know if I have to charge it. There's 1 and 2. Let's see if it finds it now. I have a Jabra Elite 75T. Turn on the headset. When you take them out of the charging case, they automatically enter Bluetooth pairing if they have not been paired before. So we should be okay. Next, go to the Bluetooth menu on your phone and select Jabra Elite. So it looks like maybe they put the settings here. Pair a new device. And there it is. It has popped up. Hopefully it's pairing. It says it's pairing. Yes, I want to pair. And it is paired. I've reopened the app, configuring the headset. It says, now it says continue. Keep up to date with firmware, so there might be an update. So let's check. I think it updated the case because now, after it looked like it was done, it says headset update. To start the headset update, place the earbuds in the charging case, close the lid. During the update, the LED on the charging case will be flashing purple. Don't remove the earbuds. So let's see what happens. That's in, and that's in. I close it. And it says it may take up to 15 minutes to update the headset. So of course I won't let you wait for that. So I have done exactly as it said, and it is blinking purple. So it's doing exactly what it said it would do. I think it's over. The light stopped blinking, but it took 55 minutes, so it took a long time. These are green, so I assume that means that they're fully charged. So let's go back to the app. So back to the headset. I'm going to take these out and place them in my ear. Okay, I've turned on my selfie here, and what I'm hoping is that you can hear my voice so I could see and you could see how the sound is through the microphones. The other thing is you can notice how small they are in my ear. They're very, very small. When I placed them in my ear, I got the word connected from inside of it. So I know that now. And turn on and connect, that's what I've done. Here through, I'm going to turn that on, and the minute I did, I can hear my voice come higher. So what that does is it allows some exterior noise to come through. And since I use these, we'll use them when I walk. I think it's better. So when I do that, I can't hear anything outside at all. When I turn it on, I can. So I'm going to leave that on. Here's the equalizer. I'm going to just lower the bass a little bit. I'm going to raise the mid-range, even though I haven't heard it yet, and test that. Music presets. For now, because I like to hear the detail, I'm going to just put treble boost. And for soundscape, I am going to listen to ocean waves. And it's really neat because right now I hear ocean waves. Let me listen to the waterfall. Yeah, I'll do ocean waves. So we'll keep that. And I think I have everything I need. I think I have everything set up. So what I did is I just made my own personal setting for music, and I played Sirius XM through my phone to the headphones. Sounds great. It really does sound very good. I noticed that the bass was as I like it, and as you could see, I raised here over towards the treble and the mid-range, and I was able to hear the different instruments just the way I like. So everybody has different taste. So at this point, I believe everything is done, and I just noticed a bit ago that it actually had a map showing where my headphones were. So that also works and works well. So it looks like, to me, it looks like it's a very nice app, and that it works pretty good. So I'll post this, and I might come back in a month or so to let you know what I think. I've now used these, the headset from Jabra, for about 5 days now, 4.5 days. And so let me tell you what I think. First of all, the fit is fantastic. These never fell out. Anything I did, painting, walking, exercising, no matter what I did, these never fell out. So very pleasing in that respect. The app is excellent. Let me get to it here. So the app itself is really well done. It's easy to use, provides me a lot of information, and I'm able to do just so much with it. I use the hear through that allows sound to come through when I'm walking if I need it. So everything on this really works, and there's a hearing test now, and that was really good also. So everything about it is just very good, and so I'd rate the app highly. Now, there's some, the sound. The sound is really good. It's very good, to be honest with you. It's really nice. So once I was able to put my own information in, it was just great. So as you look at the app itself, hear through, I just have to press the button once, the left button once, and that'll automatically turn on hear through. which allows sound to go through. Oop. And you could see I had set the equalizer the way I liked it. I called it Music 2, so you could kind of put your own setting on there. And for when I'm just relaxing, I put it on Ocean Waves. And there's some things that are not so good, and actually they're frustrating. One is if you want to use it with Amazon Echo, good luck. I finally have decided to just use it with my Google Assistant. And so if I'm tapping twice on my left ear, and you'll see that Google Assistant would open, how is the weather today? And it'll give an answer into my headset. Many settings I had to go through to fix that. So I had to make this a trusted device, because it also doesn't unlock. If it's locked, as soon as you give a command, it says, oh, you have to unlock it. So in addition to not being able to pick your own assistant, and as I said, the menu no longer exists, or at least I can't find the menu that allows you to pick the assistant you want. So I don't believe it's there anymore. I think it's gone. And I've tried everything. So that's one. Two is there's no announcement. So when you get a phone call, it doesn't announce a thing. I fortunately have my watch, and my watch will light up and say I have a phone call. I could press my right earphone one time and it'll answer it, or 2 times to reject it. So don't think that there is an announcement. Messages likewise, you don't get any announcement, you get a ding. I've now got it set up so I get a ding when that happens, and when I get that ding, I then double tap my right headphone and say read my message, which it does, and then it asks me if I want to reply, and I do, and it does a very good job. So that part's okay. Also, I was able to, I made some test phone calls, and they were really good. I was pleased the first day, and now several days later I could tell you that no matter who I've talked to, they've been pleased with the sound from me, and I've been pleased with the sound from them. They don't hear any noise in the background, no wind, nothing. So from that standpoint, but anyway, so no notifications. I wound up having to use Google Assistant, even though my go-to is Amazon Alexa. I still had to use Assistant because it wouldn't work. So that's a big frustration for me. And other than that, I would say for what I got it for, it's fine.